your child struggling at school? Before you start assuming they have focus problems or laziness or learning issues, test their eyes first. Because sometimes it's not just the brain that is the problem, it's how we view things, and if it is not clear, they will not be able to see things clearly, they will not be able to learn things better. Every week in my clinic, I meet parents who are worried about school marks. Their child simply hates reading. They get tired after a page of reading and start mixing up lines or just don't pay attention. One mother even told me, "Doctor, my son reads perfectly at home but forgets everything once he goes in the class." When we checked his eyes, we found the real culprit, an uncorrected vision problem. He could see, but he could not see clearly in a week. Now imagine reading through this little boy's perspective. It's like reading through fog for hours. I'll give up too. Learning is a visual process. Almost 80% of what a child learns in early school years comes through their eyes. The reading, writing, or simply copying from the board. Everything relies on clear, comfortable vision. When a child has even a mild refractive error, like farsightedness, astigmatism, or unequal power between the eyes, their brain has to work extra to stay focused. That extra effort shows up as headaches or rubbing of eyes or simply slow reading speed, skipping the lines while reading, even difficulty copying from the board. Or they may even simply just lose interest altogether and start daydreaming in the class. Sometimes all these things are misread as attention deficit in the child, but it is actually the visual fatigue which is tiring them. Now picture this. Your child squints, tilts their head, or brings the book too close while reading. You say, "Sit straight." They do try, but they can't help it. Their eyes are doing gymnastics to focus. Or the child who avoids reading aloud, not because they are shy, but because the words keep blurring or doubling for them. Many bright children quietly adapt until learning becomes exhausting for them. So, what can we actually do as parents? Firstly, eye check before every new school year. Even if your child says, "I can see the board," check your focus, depth perception, and even eye coordination. Don't miss the simple signs like eye rubbing, frequent blinking, closing one eye while reading, or sitting too close to the screens. If glasses are prescribed to them, tell them to wear it. Children adapt quickly, but they'll only benefit if it becomes a routine for them. Then always encourage outdoor play. Natural light helps the eyes focus better and lowers. This week, do one small thing. Schedule that eye exam, because behind every struggling reader might just be a pair of tired eyes, waiting just to be noticed. I'm Dr. E, helping parents raise an eyes up generation where vision and learning grow together.